The Apollo missions were a daring success
and highlighted what a generation of ambition can accomplish.
We choose to go to the moon, but in a whole new way.
Not as a destination, but as a beginning.
And not alone, but with a global coalition of explorers.
This calling is part of what makes us human.
And it is this generation's turn to set the tone.
We are going
to lead a journey of discovery that benefits our planet with life-changing science.
To use the moon and its resources as a technology testbed to go even farther.
To learn how to establish and sustain a human presence beyond Earth.
This time, we're going as the Artemis Generation.
We will discover, prove that it's possible,
and bring all that we learned back home.
To benefit all of humanity.
And then we will take the next giant leap.
Mars.
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome to the Artemis Generation.
Hello and welcome to the App Development Challenge Selected Teams announcement. In just a moment, we'll be announcing the middle and high school teams selected to participate in a culminating event experience where their work will be highlighted in presentations to NASA leadership. My name is Jamie Semple and I'm an education specialist with Paragon Tech, and I'm also the App Development Challenge lead coordinator. We are joined today by Dr. Brian Welsh, who is the ADC Technical Advisor. Brian, we appreciate you being here today.
Thank you. And thank you to all the teams across the country that participated in this App Development Challenge. Myself and my team of reviewers found that the videos that were submitted by the teams were professional, well organized, and that the students were well spoken of the content that they were describing. The capabilities in the apps varied across the teams, and every team brought a unique aspect to their app that we found to be creative, intuitive, and useful. Myself and several of my reviewers found it inspiring for what the next generation could achieve in such a short duration of time. Thank you for your participation in this App Development Challenge.
Thank you, Brian. The App Development Challenge is a coding challenge where NASA presents technical problems to middle and high school students seeking their contributions for future exploration missions. The App Development Challenge is part of the Next Gen STEM program provided by NASA's Office of STEM Engagement. By responding to the App Development Challenge, students directly participate in the Artemis Generation endeavors to land American astronauts, including the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. This year's App Development Challenge was created in collaboration with NASA's Space Communications and Navigation Team, also known as NASA SCAN. The SCAN team needed an app that will visualize the moon's surface for future mission planning and training activities. The app must also contain a path for exploration and identify communication checkpoint links. Student teams across the nation began working on creating this app on September 30th, 2020, and submitted videos of their solutions online by November 18th, 2020. The teams that competed in this year's challenge did an outstanding job of completing their work in such a short amount of time. We had a fantastic response to the challenge, and the work created by our students exceeded all of our expectations. You'll be seeing short video clips of each team's outstanding work as we announce them. And based on their work, their app could be used by NASA here in the near future. The selected teams will attend a 2-day virtual culminating event experience in February 2021, where they'll have the chance to participate in NASA unique opportunities, meet with industry leaders, and present their work to NASA leadership. It's now time to announce our culminating event teams. Teams will be announced in no particular order. I'll turn it over to Brian to announce our first team.
Congratulations to Team Equinox from Gilman School in Baltimore, Maryland. You displayed great teamwork throughout the challenge, and that was evident in the app you were able to create. Our team was impressed with your novel approach to data management and with your use of sectional loading of the lunar data. Great job on implementing your weight finding algorithm and the option to choose different exploration routes based on the slope. It was a great addition to the app. We look forward to seeing your team at the virtual culminating event.
Congratulations to the team from Bell Creek Academy High School in Riverview, Florida. Your unique approach to the visualization and the two options of Moon Street View and Moon Space View was a great idea. The app interface was well done, and the options to individually view height and slope as well as the communication link checkpoints and the perfect path option made the app more user-friendly. Excellent work in community outreach and engaging others to join the Artemis Generation.
Congratulations to Bishop O'Connell High School. Your team will be attending the virtual culminating event. We were impressed with your team's ability to solve problems and utilize different platforms to create a successful app. You displayed great teamwork by maximizing each team member's strengths and completing both the coding and non-coding aspects of the challenge. The review team was impressed by your modular app interface and modified A-star pathfinding code. Great job utilizing social media to get others interested in the challenge.
Congratulations to the Moon Millers from Milburn High School. Your video was very well done and showed a professional approach to the challenge. Our team was impressed by the user interface, and the terrain texture was exceptionally well done. The creation of a rover paired with the motion implementation and speed controls created an extremely realistic experience. Great job engaging your community and providing them a hands-on activity to encourage them to engage in future Artemis Generation activities. All aspects of the challenge were well represented in the app your team created.
Congratulations to the Academies of Loudoun in Leesburg, Virginia. You did a fantastic job collaborating to create a successful approach to completing the challenge. The way your team identified and solved problems is to be commended. The teamwork you displayed throughout all aspects of the challenge helped you to be successful in creating an effective app. Our team was impressed on the implementation of your custom wayfinding algorithm and your work to increase accessibility to those with color blindness. We look forward to hearing more about your community engagement events at the culminating event.
Congratulations to McNeil High School in Austin, Texas. Your app design made it easy to toggle between different data features, and the color scheme you utilize allows the user to review large areas of data for determining the best path for exploration. We appreciate your novel approach to the app interface and the work put forth to implement a virtual reality option. Your team embraced the spirit of the challenge by not only completing work on a functional app, but also engaging others through social media, outreach presentations, and online tutorials. This extra effort is to be commended and shows your dedication to inspiring others to be successful.
Congratulations to the Moore Norman Technology Center in Norman, Oklahoma. Our team liked your unique approach to the wayfinding visualization, including the illumination feature. You did great work in utilizing color for displaying essential data, and thank you for the extra effort to increase the accessibility of your app to those with color blindness. Your team did an excellent job working with online coding communities for both community outreach and beta testing your app for future improvements. We look forward to hearing how your continued community engagement events online were received.
Congratulations to the team from Falcon Cove Middle School in Weston, Florida. These students did outstanding work in creating an app for this year's challenge, and Falcon Cove is the only middle school team to be selected for the culminating event. The app interface was well designed and resulted in a visualization that easily allowed the user to plot the safest path for exploration. Designing the app in a game format was a nice feature and increased ease of use. Our team was impressed with the attention to detail for navigation, specifically with the directional aid function on the avatar and the mini-map for assisting in reaching the destination site.
Congratulations to the team from Middlesex County Academy for Science, Mathematics, and Engineering Technologies in Edison, New Jersey. The team's Moonwalker app has a great user interface highlighted by a clear and easy-to-read display panel for sharing exploration data. The app created a very realistic experience for the user, and your attention to detail, including the actual sunlight available at the lunar South Pole, was greatly appreciated. Great work reaching out to the Unity community for seeking guidance and sharing your ADC experience. Your video was very well done and showed your team's excellent teamwork.
And now for our final team that will be attending the culminating event. Congratulations to Team Unity from Whitney High School. You exemplified teamwork as you collaborated across 4 time zones to complete development of your team's app. Your storyboard clearly identified your team's key goals for the challenge, and we appreciate the attention to detail that you provided in each aspect of what you created. Our team was impressed with the terrain texture, the mini-map, your novel 3D scene implementation, and the wayfinding options. We're interested in hearing more about your community engagement events and look forward to speaking with you at the Culminating event. This concludes our Culminating event team selections for this year's challenge. And before we end our event today, we do want to take a moment to say thank you to all the teams that participated in this year's challenge. We were very impressed with the work that you were able to create, and an outstanding job was done by all teams. Once again, congratulations to our Culminating event teams. We look forward to seeing you very soon. Please keep an eye out for more information here in the near future. Great job, teams. Thank you and goodbye.
Good job.